Here you can see me sitting in front of my laptop and doing one of my most favorite activities, writing. Well, to be precise, this is typing rather than writing, since I don't use any type of pencil. You may ask yourself now, does he always wear a suit while he is at home and writes? To which the answer is no, but since the suit is new and I did not had the chance to wear it before, I thought, why not wearing it for the new video? So, as I said, I was writing and then I noticed something under the laptop. Apparently, some little bird chirped somewhere a lovely melody about the new business as a photographer I started a few weeks ago. Not even having my website online yet, it seems I already have the first customer around. Writing an answer is simple. Open LibreOffice Writer, write a letter, like I did 1,000 times before, print it and call it a day. Simple enough, done in a few minutes.
Ja.
But when I held the printed page in my hand, it got me thinking. Little Jennifer wrote a handwritten inquiry to me, and I was to reply with an unpersonal printed piece of paper. Preposterous. As my handwriting is awful and my love for typing is so strong, I already have a small collection of typewriters. Why not use them to create a truly unique answer?
Ist die schwer.
Having successfully typed a nice letter, although with a few typos and mistakes, I decided to keep the typed letter and get rid of the printed page. A few hours later I watched the footage I recorded and were not happy with it, so I decided to create a second version of the letter, this time hopefully without any errors. This looks somewhat better, I guess. Having both versions in front of me, I still wasn't happy with it. Both had typos, both were not consistently typed, and the newer one had the accident with the lines. Typing on a typewriter is hard work after all. But then an idea just sprung my mind. All I needed was a typewriter which can correct errors and writes consistently, no matter how much time I would need or errors I would make. As it so happened, I had just restored an IBM Selectric II, the last mechanical wonder. I am so fascinated by these machines, I will create another video in the next few weeks when I finish the restoration of a Series 1. Some keys repeat their actions if they are kept depressed. For example, the backspace, the normal space, or as you will see now, the minus. The big feature of the Series 2 was the ability to correct typing errors. To do this, one has to press the correction key below the right shift key and press the character one wishes to remove from the page. The machine will print the same character, but this time does not strike on the ribbon, but instead onto a roll of lift-off tape. Having been pleasantly surprised by the perfect outcome of the page, it was time to put the letter into the envelope and stick the label on it.